Hello and welcome to today's video. I'm excited about the new format and then the new whiteboard that I bought in order to be able to explain what I do. And what I do is online marketing. So today in this video I'm going to explain what online marketing is and then all the parts that go into it. It's really not that much, and I wish I would have seen this video in the beginning and I knew all of it that I need to do in order to make this work for me. And if you think about online marketing, it's something that is relatively new, the way it is that I'm going to explain, but it has evolved to these steps. Like in the past, there was no internet, there was no email, there was no traffic that is everywhere. So make sure to watch this video, and maybe like right now I'll plug a little intro video if I have it ready, so that is coming as well. Okay, so let's jump into today's video. So for anything you're doing online, any product that you have, maybe you have a physical product that you're selling, maybe you have a course, maybe you're doing affiliate marketing or you're a consultant, you're gonna need people to see you. You're gonna need an audience, and an audience can be either on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, I don't know, like Snapchat, then LinkedIn maybe, Facebook friends. All of these are platforms that you can use in order to get people to see you. And by using social media, you can use the free version where you're putting in time to get these people to see your content, where you can pay these social media platforms. They have advertising spaces, and then you can pay Google, for example, and you can buy people to see your offers, to see what you're doing online. So people online are called traffic. So it's not traffic that you see on the roads, it's traffic that goes to your website, that go to your landing page maybe. Okay, so the first thing is traffic, and traffic can be either free or paid. Okay, so free traffic can be Facebook, Instagram, then Snapchat, Pinterest, then LinkedIn. How do you write LinkedIn? LinkedIn. Okay, and then paid like Google, Bing. Then you can buy paid ads like from Facebook and Instagram as well. So it can be paid and free traffic, and all this traffic goes to a place. Like, where are you leading this traffic to? So you have a page. You're gonna have a squeeze page, and the reason why you don't send traffic to your sales page, like you think like, okay, I have all these people, but I want them to buy from me. But if they're gonna go to your sales page, you're probably gonna get 1% conversion, and this is like internet average. If you're gonna send people to your sales page, you're gonna get from 100 people, you're gonna get 1 people to buy your offer. So that's why we're using squeeze pages. And squeeze pages are called like this because they're squeezing information from your people, from your traffic. So you're gonna have a squeeze page here, squeeze, and here you have a headline that tells them exactly what this is about. And in order to get their email, we use lead magnets. I have a video about that, and a lead magnet is essentially something you give away for free. And think about it like that. For example, you're selling to people who want to make money online. Then you want this lead magnet to attract those people. So for example, you're going to give them like checklist or like a list of 10 business models that they can start with no skills with under $100. So it's really possible, like you can start a business with under $100 online. You'll have to put in more time. So if you don't have time, then you need to put in money. If you don't have money, you need to put time. So these two, time is money and money is time, okay? So you're gonna have a headline that tells them, okay, so do you want to get this list of 10 business models and maybe how you can implement them, how you can start them today with no skills for under $100, and you only have to give me your email. And do you think that sounds fair? Of course. And people will put their email, and you're gonna get their email. So you're gonna get here email, and here's a button that tells them, okay, get instant access. Okay, and then you're gonna get, like, I'm gonna give you my personal example. So I have a squeeze page, and I get about 35% conversion rate. So if I send 100 people to my squeeze page, then I'm gonna get 35 email addresses that I can market to later on. And you're gonna get the email address, but what you're gonna do with that email address, this is gonna be step number 4. But first, I'm gonna show you the offers. So there's this concept called the value ladder, and the value ladder is something Russell Brunson explains in his .com Secrets book, and I have a review of that book on the channel, so make sure to check it out. So you're gonna have a value ladder which looks something like this. Like, you have this value ladder, and then on the level 1, you're gonna have your lead magnet. This is something that you give away for free, and you want it to be really valuable so that people build that instant trust with you. They will like you instantly, because you want to have these 3 elements. You get to have people to know you. This is traffic that comes to your squeeze page. People know you, and then you want people to like you. So in order for them to like you, you have this free possibility. You're gonna give them this lead magnet, and they're gonna check your list, and they're gonna get value from it. Of course, they're gonna like you. Okay, this guy gave me free information. And then you want them to trust you. So trust is built over time. You want them to be a part of your groups, a part of your audiences on Facebook, Instagram, on all these platforms, a part of your email list. Constantly send them newsletters with valuable information. That's how we build trust. And then, like, you have on level 0, you're gonna have your lead magnet. So it costs them $0, and they're getting value. And naturally, some people will like what you give, and they will want more from you. They will consider you like somebody who has what they want. You have what they want. So for example, I know how to make a couple $100 online per day. And there are people who are starting out, and they want to know how to do this. And that's why I will have an offer, for example. So I will have different offers here. So the third step is to have offers. Not products, offers. If you don't know the difference between offers and products, so a product is just like one thing, like you're giving them this one thing, and then like do what you want with it. But an offer is usually a sequence of products, and you don't want to sell products because there are a bunch of people selling the same product. Then the competition goes only on price. So whoever has the lowest price, that I'm gonna buy from that one. But an offer is something that you create individually. So I'm going to give you a course. I'm going to give you a personal consultation with me. Nobody else can give you an offer, a personal consultation with me. So it's a different thing. So you want to sell offers. So first offer, let's say, is going to be $7. Second offer is going to be like $47. Third offer is going to be like $197. Okay. And then the next one is going to be $9.97. Excuse my handwriting, I'm not so... Okay, so as you can see, we have a price range from $7 to $1,000. And you know, there are online marketers who are selling products that are worth $50,000 or $100,000. And this is real people like Steve Larsen, for example, Russell Brunson. They have these products online that you can buy. But I assume that people who are watching this will go as much as $9.97 for one sale. You should be really happy if you make one sale of $9.97, okay? So, value ladder. The first one is $0. They get the lead magnet, and then they want more from you. That's why, for example, if we gave them a list of 10 business models where they can start with $100, then let's say something general, like Instagram course, for example. So how to use Instagram to make 100 per day. And this is a video course that teaches them, like, for example, 5 video lessons and tools to make this possible. And it's priced at $7. So let's say this is the course. So we're gonna have course Instagram, and because they got some people, like from these 35 people who opted in, let's say that about like 10% maybe took your front end offer. This is a front end offer, it's usually cheap and they're gonna take it, let's say 10%, and 3 people will buy your course. So you're gonna have like $21 from this one. And then let's say this is your core offer, which is $47. And maybe one of these people bought the $47. So you're gonna have one of these buy 47, and then you're gonna have like 21 and 47. Okay, so that's 68. That's if you send 100 people. Just to understand how this works, I'm giving you this example. So the second offer can be like maybe software or a personal consultation with you, maybe. So that's the goal here is to have them go up your value ladder. So here you're gonna have your $7, here you're gonna have your $47, here you're gonna have your $197, and then goes up and up. An ideal value ladder has no end. So you don't want those people who already got here, like they already bought your $1,000 product and they are using it, they're making money with it, but there's always another level that they can go. And that's why you need to have like different products, like up. People who are already here need to have a possibility to go up. And now that's where the last part comes in, which is email marketing. Email marketing. Okay, so by the way, for creating landing pages, for creating sales pages, for creating different websites, I use the software called ClickFunnels. And then for using email marketing, I use a software called ActiveCampaign. And the reason I'm telling you this is because I have tested multiple softwares, because there are multiple who can build pages. There are multiple email marketing softwares. For example, a couple of days ago, I made this video where I presented ActiveCampaign and what it can do. And I told you that I tested about 6 or 7 autoresponders before deciding that I need to go with ActiveCampaign, because it's so powerful and it allows me to do anything that comes to my mind about email marketing. So I'm saving you time. That's how actually affiliate marketing works. Why I love affiliate marketing, it's because it's a win-win-win business model. So you're gonna have a company that sells a product, and when that company sells a product with your link, so you're gonna be an affiliate, they're gonna make their sale, they're gonna make the new clients, and you're gonna get paid. So they're gonna win, you're gonna win by getting paid commissions, and then the client is gonna win. If you did a good job researching all the other softwares, then you're gonna have your client happy, and he's gonna win by saving time and going with the right software, which is gonna save him time and help him grow his business as well. If we're talking about the business niche, but it can be like weight loss niche as well. So if you're a you're a fitness trainer, then you're gonna have like, for example, 10 exercises on this quiz page. You're gonna have 10 exercises that will help you lose weight. This is a very general headline. You need to come up with something more specific. So, how I lost 15 pounds in 7 days. That's way more sexy of a headline to use, so that people want to know. And you're gonna give them like a checklist. Then they're gonna go like get your course that shows them like step-by-step thing that they need to do, which is gonna be priced like $7. Then personal consultation again, $47. Then like I don't know, like a live event, $197. Participate in my live event, and again, you're gonna build your own value ladder. Okay, so email marketing is something that you use for people to see your offers. So the majority of those who will see your offer the first time will not buy. Sounds sad, but that's how it is. People need 7 interactions with your brand, with your offer, to take their buying decision. The buying decision can be yes or no, but they need those 7 interactions. So first time they came, they saw this thing, they didn't want to buy. Then you're gonna send them an email. Hey, here's some testimonials of people who already bought this offer. Maybe you should check what other people say, how it helped them and how it can help you. Second interaction. Then you can show them ads on Facebook. Then you can, if they become a part of your Instagram audience, then you're gonna post something like another testimonial maybe, or an unboxing video, or some like benefits of using this offer that you have, and then they're gonna get these interactions and they're gonna buy from you. That's the natural sequence of events. So email marketing you're gonna use, and one more reason why email marketing is important is because if you're doing anything online, you're gonna need like more lead magnets. For example, with this lead magnet, you're gonna get like a specific audience is interested in getting those 10 a list of 10 business models that you can start with under $100 with no skills. And then like you can have another lead magnet, like how to start generating hundreds per day with affiliate marketing. And the first one is general, like somebody who wants to create a business online, but the second one is specifically for affiliate marketing. So that's why you can use tags, and you can use tags in ActiveCampaign, and you can direct people to different automations. So you can automate your email marketing, and when somebody comes in through this lead magnet, you're going to send them this email, then you're going to show them this offer, then you're going to give them this value email, you're going to invite them to your group. So you can automate this entire process with email marketing, and depending on which category of people you're targeting, you're gonna give them relevant emails, and you're gonna because you don't want to send them emails to bother them, because they're gonna unsubscribe and they're gonna not feel like happy that they're a part of your audience. You want everybody who's a part of your audience to receive value. That's why I'm making this video. I want people who are a part of my audience to feel the value that I'm giving. And like I want to mention, the last thing is that you can automate like this part. Like you can automate this part. Your goal should be to have this part be automated with the funnel, with the offers, and with the email marketing. And then your goal is to continuously send traffic into this process. And we call this a funnel. A funnel is the page, the offer, and the email marketing that connects the pages and the offers. And then we're gonna have like, the goal is to have this part. So you're gonna spend money on traffic, you're gonna spend money and time. And the goal is to have $1 spent on traffic to go into this funnel and to generate $2 back. And here comes the question of how much money should I spend on my marketing? And the truth is, you can spend as much as you want, as much as your cash flow, and as much as you're getting that $2 back. How much you're gonna invest if you're putting in today $1 in your marketing, and tomorrow you're getting $2 back? Like how much are you gonna put in? Obviously you're gonna say like $1 million, because I'm gonna put $1 million in and I'm gonna get 2 million back. And that's how online marketing works. So that's you need to create the traffic to buy it, or to create it with social media platforms, and that's pretty much what online marketing is. So I hope you got value from this, and I have this group which is Nick's Affiliate Mastermind, where I teach different concepts like how to create a high converting squeeze page, like different results that I get, resources, and everything is for free. It's free to join that group. It's for entrepreneurs. I want to transform that group not in a place where I will answer questions. I want it to be a community where if you're gonna go there, you can network with other entrepreneurs and get their successes, share your stories, share your failures, and you're gonna get advice and help from other entrepreneurs and help them as well. Okay, so definitely join the group. I also have a giveaway, and if you got value from this video, and I hope that you did, then consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video, and telling me down below like if I managed to make this online marketing game more clear for you. And I'll see you tomorrow in my next video.